What is going on, everyone? Hope you're having a wonderful day. In this quick video, I want to cover pretty much what are the ads that are working for me right now, and you'd be surprised what they are. Often we tend to overcomplicate what the ad says or how the ads look like, and post Andromeda update is actually easier and easier to create an ad that actually works. So I want to show you exactly so you can see that you don't need to overcomplicate it. That's simple pretty much scales and complex fails at this very moment post Andromeda update. So right now there's a style of creative that like I have right now probably like 15 or 18 new ads, spending each ad set around $15 a day. That is getting me results for like 150, around 150. Even this one's getting me results for just $50. Okay, and the ads, it's incredibly simple. So I could show you right here so you can better see it on this Canva project. But all this black and white text ads are crushing it for me. Okay, and sometimes when the ad, let me zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see it a little bit better. Oh, actually, it zooms back, so maybe I should just do this. So it's literally once I find a body of text that is working for me, right? It's like I said, it's just a black screen with white text. Sometimes the highlighted, you can do it in blue. Like this is something that I'm gonna probably do next. That instead of being white highlighted, I'm gonna put like the company of the color. So it'll be like something like this. So like if your company's color is like yellow or green, maybe do it like that as well because it just looks nice. You get me? So my next bash is just gonna be like instead of just the bold white, it's gonna be bold but with a little bit of color in it. So what I wanted to say is once you find a copy that works, like for example, for me was this one right here. Want to add Buzzy as a business as a service? Learn how we made X amount of month of money for this much monthly, right? So right, I knew this worked. So once that worked, all I did was try to find as many as B-roll, like I have here in my Lambo driving, and this ad crushed it for me. I was getting resolved for like $30, but after I spent like $2,000, it started dying off, so I had to turn it off. But that ad worked for me. So it's literally the same text as this one that I just showed you, but just with a different background, right? So look how many I've created here. I've been doing so many of these because it's actually getting me really, really good results, right? So what I've been doing is literally do it with the black and white text. Once I find something that works, right, I either change the color or even the background of this. Like I have one here in orange that also work for me. You can also do it, let's say the company color, right? It's whatever color looks very well. But this is just an example that I wanted to show you guys because we tend to overcomplicate the ads. And now the post Andromeda update is literally all about what you're saying on the ad that is the actual, 99% of the battle. Okay. So we get a lot of people that are just extremely confused on how should I create the ad, what style I should create, but they're not focusing on what they're saying on the ad. Since I know my target audience and I know the problem they have, it's very easy for me to come up with like a problem and a solution on a simple text. So that's why this is working very well for us. Okay, so if you have no idea of, okay, how do I create some creatives, open your Canva, literally pitch your offer on a black screen with white text, or it could be the opposite. It could be white text and black letters. The thing for me is I test both. I like when I do something, and especially when it's the same thing with different colors, I just put it all into one ad set, three different ads, different colors, and let the algorithm pick which color it like better, right? Once I identify, okay, a winning color, essentially, then I try to distribute that into different ways, okay? So this is literally since I noticed the black and white worked for me better, I just started doing more with black and white. And then once I know the copy that works, then I put the exact copy. Like for this one, ad for me is I just launched it and it already got me a couple book calls and a couple sales. That is like just for 2026. You want to get left behind and learn the offer that is helping clients charge 4 to 10K per client, right? Something like that, right? So that's literally the ad. And this is literally my house. We did some fireworks in my house, and then I just recorded it. And I'm like, hey, this looks like a good idea for an ad. And then boom, it works for me. Okay. So I'm not overthinking it. I'm just literally testing. The name of the game is to focus on the copy, right? Write the best copy as possible. The copy is essentially what you're saying on the ad. And then try different versions of that. Once you find something that's working, how can I how can I distribute this copy into different styles of ads? Now I have a video that I released maybe about like a month ago about different style of ads that's currently working right now. So you can check that video out and then look at the different styles. But once you find a winning copy, like a winning, like pretty much the words inside the ad, once you find something that works, you want to distribute that copy into different styles of ads. You can like, so for example, like something worked right here. We got here my wife in the backyard. She's in the pool chilling, and I recorded that, and then I just put the winning copy on top of it, and guess what? It's working for us. Okay, so if you're somebody right now that is struggling to fix the client acquisition problem because you never ran a goddamn ad in your life, you still rely on referrals and word of mouth, get a little bit out of your comfort zone, okay, and start testing things out, because right now it's getting easier and easier to get results. Now the thing that I must say is that if you don't have a strong sales skills and this is the first time you're running an ad, then I wouldn't recommend it. Okay, so keep relying on referrals, word of mouth, or cold traffic, whatever it may be, until you have enough budget for you can test. Because most people, what they do, they have the last $1,000 to their name and they want to put that on ads. It's that is, if you don't have the skills to match that, it's not going to really work. Or somebody helping you, it's not going to really work. Okay, but if you're already somebody who's a little bit more experienced on the ads, you can close the deal if they get in front of you and they schedule a call with you. Then just try something like this because it's working for us very well. And if it's working for us, why wouldn't it work for you? The key is, like I said, is the copy. What you're saying on the ad is literally 95% of the battle. Then once you find something that works, distribute that copy into different things. And that's why I've here created literally hundreds. On this campaign, I've literally probably spent like $90,000 in the last maybe 4 or 5 months of this type of style, especially after it wasn't working too well, but the post Andromeda update, it's just been banger after banger after banger. Like literally out of 10 ads that I test, 7 are working, which is the highest percentage of winning creative I've ever, in my whole like 4 years and spending a couple $1 million on ads. It has been the highest ones that are winning. So that means just like focus on the copy, and doesn't matter how you distribute that ad, as long as the copy is solid, you can get amazing results. Okay, so if you're still struggling with this, you can always book a call with us and we can help you guide through the whole process. Or if you're a brand new funding company and want to learn more about the funding offer, you can definitely click the link below and join our school. That all we talk about is helping you understand the funding offer so you can finally start a funding company. Okay, but if you already know, if you already run a funding company and you already know a little bit of marketing of the ads point of view, try some of these ads. It's working very well for us. It's working for a lot of our clients. It's working for friends in the industry that I know. Actually, I could, let me see if this is still. So I went to ads library not too long ago. Let me just show you something very quick. I went to ads library and I searched because I always like to look for people's ads and what are they running. And one of the people that I always search is of course Alex Ramosi. And surprisingly enough, I saw. Let me see if it's still running them. But what I saw was, let me see. Boom. Okay, I just found them. He was actually doing the same strategy, and I didn't know. Oh, look, see, it's just black and white text, white and black text, black and white text, and this more like a tweet style. I didn't even know he was even doing this. But like every now and then I just search people's ads, like I search people in the industry, and I was like, oh fuck, he's doing the same thing that I was doing, and that's to me a signal that I was doing the right thing, and I didn't even know this. And then I was watching a friend's YouTube channel that he said he's doing that he was searching for Alex's ads. I'm like, oh fuck, let me search it out. Let me see what's going on. And then I see pretty much the same strategy that I'm doing. It just mainly focus on the copy, but the simplest ads. We're back in the 2010, 2014, 15 era that literally a simple picture ad does magic. Okay, so don't need to overcomplicate it. Do a bunch of research. Search everybody that you know in the industry that's running ads. Search their names, like the Grant Cardones, the Alex Ramosis. Everybody big in the industry. If you're in the industry, you probably know a bunch of big people that are running ads. Search their ads in the ad library and search up the ads. There's other tools that are better than ads library. They're just the most common one and it's the easiest. But you can start seeing what other people are running and start getting inspiration from the ads. Now, one thing I don't recommend you do is straight up, copy the copy. Just essentially just rip off. You have to be unique, because if you just copy everything that I'm doing, I'm already spending so much money in this pocket in the algorithm that if you come in and then copy the same thing that I'm doing, I'm just gonna essentially outbid you, right? So don't be that guy. get inspired, like how they say, steal like an artist. Like, in my past life, I was a musician. My whole life, I was making music. The business didn't work too well, so I kind of pivoted. But in music, you get inspired by other tones of music or other melodies of music, and then you want to incorporate that in your own music, but you don't do the same things, right? You don't play the same notes. You might play like a note here or two that are the same, but the melody is different. The key is different. The style that you strum the guitar, or the style, or the cadence that you play the piano might be different, but you're getting inspired from a song or from a certain melody, right? In ad creative, it's almost same thing. So I sometimes I just go, if I'm feeling like, okay, I don't know what to test, or I don't feel like I have too many ideas. I just search the top people's names that I know are like spending millions of dollars a year plus on ads, and see what are the current testing. And usually if I see an ad that has been running for longer than a month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, that's a sign for me that these ads are working for them. So if it's working for them, I could kind of emulate a little bit, create my own version of it, and then boom, here we are. So this is just more proof that what I'm saying is true. So try it, because it's working for me, it's working for Alex, it's working for friends in the industry, and it's working for some of our clients. So don't need to overcomplicate it. Just create a simple ad, focus on the copy, and go get some book calls. Turn those book calls into money.